Welcome to DesignerDigitals Biweekly Tip, June 22nd, 2018. This week, Getting Creative with Documenting Life Notebook Daily Stories Templates, Part 2. The Documenting Life Notebook Daily Stories Template series by Katie Pertite is a super fun new way to keep your thoughts and memories alive. Used with or without photos, these layered templates are customizable, diary-style pages with a junk journal flair. In the last tip, we explored a number of uses for these detailed templates, and we learned how easy it is to change the title. In this tip, we'll look at a simple way to change the look of the templates from a diary style to a scrapbook page style using the page components without the notebook. Here's how. Begin by opening a template in Photoshop or Elements. Locate the Layers panel at the bottom right corner of the screen and find the binder clip layers. In this template, the binder clip layers are the top two layers in the template. Click the layer visibility icon on the left side of each of the binder clip layers. This hides the clips. Next, locate the notebook layer, which is going to be near the bottom of the Layers panel. So I'll scroll down and locate the notebook layer. Click the layer visibility icon on the left side of the notebook layer, and then hide the next layer, which is the drop shadow layer for the notebook. Now the page details look like they're attached to the background paper instead of a junk journal. Because Katie's templates are designed at 300 pixels per inch, you can size up the layers without really losing any quality. To do this, select the layer above the hidden notebook layer, and then hold the Shift key as you scroll up and select the first layer that's under the binder clips. So this selects all of the layers in between. The idea here is that you want to select all of those layers at one time. Get the Move tool, which is the first tool in the tool bin, and press Ctrl-T, or on a Mac system Command-T on the keyboard. This places a bounding box around the page elements. It's called the Transform controls. Move the cursor to the corner of the bounding box, and when you do, your cursor changes into this diagonal arrow situation. Hold the Shift key and drag a corner outward to increase the size of the page elements. Now, if you're working in Elements, you will need to not hold the Shift key unless you're using an older version, and then you'll need to hold the Shift key. Adobe keeps switching this back and forth. So if you're getting a weird funhouse effect, you know you either need to hold the Shift key or not hold the Shift key to keep things in the right proportion. Be sure to leave a small border when you increase the size so that the items won't be cut off in the printing process. Now, when you get it resized, you'll need to tick the check mark to confirm the size change. In Photoshop, this appears up here in the options bar at the top of the screen. In Elements, the green check mark will appear underneath the bounding box. When this is done, you can complete the page by adding a background layer and personalizing the text and the images. Using this tip will give you a bonus design option for using the Documenting Life Notebook Daily Stories template series. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for more tips on using the Documenting Life Notebook Daily Stories template series.